Hi, I'm Dr. Noah Kaplan. I'm an upper cervical chiropractor in Walnut Creek, and I just want to show you three exercises that you can do on your own for neck and mid-back mobility. The first one is called the Egyptian, and what you're going to do is one hand down, one hand up, arms bent at 90 degrees at the elbows. You're going to look towards the top hand, and then as you switch hands up, you're going to turn to the hand that's up. So you can watch it again. I'm turning towards the hand that's up. And again, like that. You want to keep your arms at relatively a straight line, and then especially in this angle, you want to make sure that your head is not forward or arms are not forward or backwards. Everything's pretty straight as you turn. And so that's gonna affect the head, the neck, the shoulders, the arms. You're really gonna feel that at first. So I generally recommend about 15 of those at each setting. Second exercise is more of a chest opening stretch, and we're gonna go over here to the wall. And there are two different positions here. One of the things that happens when we are sitting at a computer or driving in the car is our shoulders become rounded forward and our chest collapses. What we want to do is open up the chest, allow the shoulders to get down and back, and that allows the head and neck to come backwards where it belongs rather than forwards. So the first thing we're going to do here, arm is straight back, your hips are facing forward, and it's just going to be a chest opening stretch, and you should feel that right here. And you're just holding this for about 30 to 45 seconds. And so that is position number one. That's going to get the pec major. Position number two is a 45-degree angle up. And you're going to have to change your foot position here. And you're facing forward, arm at a 45-degree angle, and you're holding for about 30 to 45 seconds. Any doorway is a good place to do this because it gives you enough resistance, and you may have to play with your feet placement and hip positioning in order to get a better stretch. And make sure and do both sides as well. So that's number two. Number three, we're going to use a foam roller to get some extension in the upper back. What happens again is as our shoulders become rounded forward, our heads tend to push forward, and one of the ways that we can counteract this is by getting some mobility and extension in the upper back. And a foam roller is a good tool in order to do this. So I'll show you what we can do. And these should be available, they're at every single gym. You'll be able to find these. They're also pretty cheap online as well. So we're going to put this on the ground. And the key here is as we're going to bridge up, you want to completely support your head and neck with your hands. So you're not using your neck muscles. So the hands are supporting the head, and I'm bridging up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to roll in the upper mid-back, letting my head fall backwards. That should feel really good. You're lengthening the muscles and getting some extension in the spine. That's the first thing. The second thing is you want to find certain points that are stuck and use the foam roller as a fulcrum in order to get some extension in the upper back. So I'm going to find a spot that's stuck, and using my breath, I'm going to fulcrum over the foam roller. You can hang out here for a couple seconds. It should feel really good. Getting some good extension in the upper back. You should immediately feel a little freer in the shoulders and the head and neck, be able to breathe a lot better. So those are some good neck and upper back mobility exercises that you can do on your own. Enjoy. Thank you.